This is the start of my 2021 garden season. I planted my first plants. This is kale, and some lettuce and some cilantro. And this one is lettuce and cilantro. I got a lot of cleanup to do. Last year was my 2020 garden season didn't go too good because I got attacked by groundhog. I planted my stuff. It was going beautiful. I was happy. Then the groundhog came, ate all my starts. So I bought some more. Came and got that again. And same thing. It happened 3 times. So I pretty much quit. I was like, I'm done. And then we got chickens. So I have to figure out a way to protect my garden from the chickens and from the groundhogs and the cats. And then I have a lot of cleanup to do because this garden's been neglected. But just wanted to share, and hopefully I'll have a better time in 2021. Hopefully everybody does. But thank you for watching.